Good morning, student. I am your English teacher, Ms. Palvasha Koval. I hope you are all fine. So, this lecture for grade 7. Grade 7, we can continue our lecture through online. So, in our previous lecture, we have completed our reading and vocabulary word. Today, take out your neat copies, write down the date, day, topic, event is word bank. So, number one is quizzical, number two is treasure, number three is sneakers, number four is shriek, number five is horrible, number six is manipulate, number seven is dangerous, number eight is swarm, number nine is sinister, and number 10 is biographical. Okay, these are your word bank. Learn it and or use in your sentences day by day. Okay, now we are going to do our next word, words meaning. So turn your page, draw the margin line, write down date, day, and now raise it. Okay, I will write down the words meaning. Okay, student, look at the board. Words meaning, words and meaning. Horrible, fearful, terrible. Number two is adventure. Put yourself at risk. And number second is experience. Number third word is treasure. Collection of precious. Number fourth is handle. Manipulate means handle, control. And number fifth word is sinister. Dishonorable. Dishonorable. Okay. Now turn your next page and write down the other event we are going to doing question answer today. Okay, so let's take out, oh sorry, turn your page. Okay, so student, these are your question answers. 1, 2, 4, 5th and 6th question are, you can write down in your neat copies. Question number 3rd we have done in our book. Okay, question number 1, how did Tariq move the boy around the computer screen? Answer is Tariq moved the boy around the computer screen using his mouse. Okay. Stop. What stopped the boy from drinking of the lagoon? Because the appearance of the Shreed birds. Number fourth one is, which word are used to describe how the boy left when he got stuck in the mud? The boy feels fear and panic. Okay, what is the quicksand? Explain in your own words. Sand that is dangerous because it stuck our body into it. Okay, now how did Tariq get the boy out of dangers at the end of the passage? Answer is by first climbing down and then swimming through the quicksand. Okay, clear? These are your question and answers. Now we are going to take out your books. Question number 3rd is, which of these objectives could use to describe the birds? Now the correct one adjective is sinister. Okay, now Discuss the question. These are not important, but you have to do in your home. You can read the passage and take out the answers of these questions. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, now find synonyms to replace the underlined words. Number one is quizzical. First of all, we have to see the example. Fortunately, the synonyms of this word is luckily. Now, number one is quizzically. We can say it's puzzle, okay, or we can get difficult thing or difficult puzzle. Number second is manipulate. We also say that moving, or we also say that control, handle. Number third is shriek. So we can say carry, no, cry, noise. Number fourth word is aware, conscious. Number fifth word is rotting, decay, destroy. Number sixth word is power. Its synonym is strength. Clear? Okay. Today today's lecture is enough. So now write down your homework in your diary. Take out your diary. So students, it's your English homework, grade 7. Make sentences of words meaning, which we done in a class notebook. And second homework is learn words meaning, unit number 13, natives. Okay, you must do in your copies. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. God bless you.